Hello everyone, welcome back to This Day in Weather. If you're just joining this channel, this is where you can learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Today is January 21st. On this day in 1863, the Fredericksburg, Virginia area was drenched by a severe coastal storm that dumped heavy rain. The rain disrupted an abortive offensive mud march by Union Major General Ambrose Burnside and his Army of the Potomac that was going on from January 20th to the 22nd. On this day in 1963, San Francisco, California saw its heaviest snowfall since 1887 when 3 inches of snow fell. On this day in 1982, it was the end of the second of two big snowstorms that hit southern Minnesota. In 24 hours, Minneapolis saw 20 inches of snow, which broke the record of 17 inches in 24 hours set just a few days prior. Following the two snowstorms, the ground was covered in a record 38 inches, with drifts as high as 10 feet. On this day in 1985, President Ronald Reagan was sworn in for his second term on the coldest inauguration day in history. The temperature at swearing-in time at noon Eastern Standard Time was 7 degrees, but the winds made the wind chill minus 30 degrees. Due to the extreme cold, many outdoor inauguration events were canceled, and President Reagan was sworn in the Capitol Rotunda. On that same day, Jacksonville, Florida, and Macon, Georgia saw their coldest temperatures ever, with lows of 7 degrees and 6 degrees respectively. On this day in 1999, a large and destructive tornado outbreak struck the Midwestern and Southern United States and lasted through the 23rd. The outbreak produced 128 tornadoes, which made it the largest tornado outbreak on record to occur in the month of January. The outbreak caused widespread damage, 9 fatalities, 162 injuries, and $90.5 million 1999 United States dollars in damage, which in 2026 United States dollars equates to over $176 million. This outbreak is best known for an F3 tornado that struck the Little Rock, Arkansas area on the evening of the 21st. The tornado formed at 6:24 p.m. Central Standard Time in Saline County south of Vimy Ridge and caused moderate damage to several houses and significant damage to a mobile home before it crossed into Pulaski County at 6:33 p.m. and caused moderate roof damage to several buildings along the Interstate 30 corridor. The tornado then continued eastward and did most of its destruction just south of the downtown area. Over 235 buildings were destroyed or suffered severe damage. One of the destroyed buildings was a Harvest Foods grocery store where one of 2 pharmacists on duty was killed. Over 500 other buildings suffered less severe damage. Some of the damaged houses that were in the historic district were also condemned due to there being lead smelts beneath them. The tornado also knocked down power lines and trees throughout the area. The property of the Arkansas governor's mansion also suffered damage. As the tornado left the downtown vicinity, it weakened as it crossed Interstate 40 and lifted in the northeastern suburbs near Sherwood at 6:53 p.m. Central Standard Time after it traveled 22 miles for 29 minutes. As the first tornado dissipated, a second one, rated F2, developed in eastern Pulaski County and remained in more rural settings. This one also destroyed several buildings, including a storage facility. Several tractor trailers were also knocked down before it crossed into Lonoke County, where extensive damage was also reported. The South Bend community was struck hard. A dozen houses, 11 mobile homes, and several farm buildings were destroyed or damaged in Lonoke County. This tornado dissipated at 7:02 p.m. Central Standard Time, southwest of Cabot. 3 people lost their lives from the tornadoes, and 78 others were injured. That will close up this edition of This Day in Weather, but be sure to stay tuned in because whenever there's a new video, you will learn about weather events that occurred in the United States on the date the video was posted in years past. Please hit the thumbs up button to like this video. Please hit the subscribe button to be sure to never miss a new video. If you're just joining this channel, please check out all the other videos that have been posted on this channel. And please check out my Patreon at patreon.com/c/thisdayinweather for more content.